Ohio throws a lot at your lawn, but Hoffman's Lawn Care is here to handle it all. We're not just your average lawn care company. We're your all-season lawn care champions. From spring seeding to winter snow removal, we've got you covered. No matter the season, we're dedicated to keeping your property looking its best. We'll provide you with precision mowing, trimming, and edging for a picture-perfect lawn. With our fertilization and weed control, we'll nourish your lawn and keep those pesky weeds at bay. We guarantee a healthy soil and a thick, lush lawn with our aeration and overseeding. And for a pristine and safe yard, that would be our leaf and snow removal. With Hoffman's, you get more than just lawn care. You get personalized service and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Don't let your lawn get lost in the seasonal shuffle. Call Hoffman's Lawn Care today and experience the difference. Check our website, hoffmanslawncare.com.